In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right printers makeup app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing, I'll uninstall the app before I take you through the step-by-step. This app can be installed either on Android smartphone or even iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll need to go look for this app called Play Store. If you are on iPhone, look for App Store. Tap on it and log in with your account. So I'll log in with my Gmail here before I can search for the app. I'll just search for the app, printers make app, just like that as one word, and then run the search. As you can see, here is our app. Tap on it, and it is Little Panda Printers Make App, and this is the company that made the app. At the time of recording this app had a star rating of 3.9 with over 138,000 reviews, and this app is teacher approved, as you can see here. Currently, it has over 10 million downloads, and I know by the time you are watching this data might have changed. So the average size is around 70 MBs. If you see all these details, then you will know that you have the right app. To get it, tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Little Panda Printers Makeup app, then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and play it from here, or if you go to your apps, here you can now launch your app to start using it. So that's how you can install the right Printers Makeup app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.